5.
Say hello to a new world of home entertainment with superior picture and sound. Say hello to the Polaris 4K Laser TV by Bowmaker, a cutting-edge ultra-short throw laser projector with 2500 ANSI lumen output and a maximum image size of up to 200 inches. Polaris 4K Laser TV brings every scene to life with 4K HDR10 images. By using tricolor RGB laser technology, Polaris renders a stunning 193% NTSC color gamut. The 3 individual lasers allow Polaris to mix red, green, and blue channels in different quantities, achieving brighter, more vivid colors than a conventional projector, with a maximum screen size 3 times the average TV. But what's a big image without big sound? Polaris features built-in Dolby DD+ surround sound and Bluetooth audio streaming, giving you full 3-dimensional audio immersion while viewing. And the ultra-short 0.25:1 throw ratio lets you place Polaris at the front of the room and still get a big picture, bringing you a cinematic experience in the comfort of your own home. And comfort is what Polaris was built for, or specifically, eye comfort. Traditional screens cast blue light directly into your eyes, causing eye strain and headaches, but with the Polaris Laser TV, the light you see is reflected, less blue and less harsh. And MEMC motion smoothing and 3D noise reduction creates a cleaner, smoother image, perfect for fast-paced action. With HDMI, USB component inputs, plus Bluetooth support, Polaris is compatible with everything from Blu-ray to your favorite streaming device.
Bowmaker has been creating high-quality speakers and projectors since 2015. With the Polaris 4K Laser TV, we're bringing everything to the next level. The Polaris is not only sharper, brighter, and more colorful than other projectors, it's quieter and more energy efficient. If you're ready to experience the future of television, back us today to claim your exclusive discount and see the difference for yourself.
Polaris 4K Laser TV. Enjoy the future of television.
Four.
Katzen, an affordable auto litter box that cares about you and your cat. As a cat lover, you know the dread of litter box cleaning. The constant scooping, stinky odors, and mess all around. It's the only downside of owning a cuddly cat. That's why we created Katzen, an automatic litter box that takes the hassle out of cleaning up after kitty. With Katzen, you never scoop again. After your cat's done its duty, the machine automatically begins a 2-cycle cleaning process that removes waste so your cat will always have a fresh place to do its business. The carbon-filtered waste drawer can hold up to 6.6 pounds of litter. It keeps the area odor-free and only needs emptied once a week. After scooping, the advanced UV sanitation system eliminates harmful germs and bacteria to maintain a clean environment and manage odors efficiently. Katzen's spacious chamber sits low to the ground so that kittens or older cats can easily get inside. It can handle households with multiple cats and can even accommodate cats wearing an e-collar. Katzen also has an LED weight scale built in, so you can monitor your cat's weight, which is an important indicator of health. Safety is a priority, and Katzen features multiple sensors that detect your cat's motions and location to automatically stop operation if a cat is inside or around the box. Katzen is devoted to creating innovative, high-quality, and affordable products for cats and their owners. Please join us and get the Katzen automatic litter box at the lowest price, $179 on Kickstarter.
3. Two.
Here's the solution. The Eureka AT1. Uniquely designed for you and for me. easily ready to assemble wherever you are, super lightweight, with a touch of a button. You can easily access the smart dashboard. To get started on your recovery, start with AI-powered auto mode for daily life. Or you can switch to professional mode for pro users, restoring a 16mm amplitude depth for deep muscle treatment and 60 pounds of force. The AT1 is customizable. It's packed with a futuristic battery that can be used up to 10 working hours. With built-in infrared sensors, the adaptive massage speed knows when to speed up or slow down based on the distance it is from you. It's so convenient. You can use it at work. And with specially designed massage head recognition system. The AT1 adapts to your body with a smart human body induction. While nicknamed the Silence Ninja, it registers under 60 decibels. So get ready to improve your performance. Relieve that stress at work and prevent injuries. The Eureka AT1, well beyond healthcare.
1.